Hi everybody, Keith Tenenfeld here, health and wellness expert, coming to you for another Train Track Talk. And I want to talk to you today about 4th of July, and it's the 250th anniversary of independence. What a great thing to be doing. I also want to talk about what we do on 4th of July, and that's often fireworks and alcohol. And so let's talk a little bit about alcohol, and at least my opinion about alcohol. I don't mind alcohol. I especially think that there's times that it's enjoyable. People can have a great time getting to know people. It helps reduce the stress of the social anxiety piece. And I think it should be used in a very small moderation. And if you're going to be using alcohol, know what you're doing. When you do alcohol, alcohol converts into acetaldehyde, which is also a carcinogenic. So you are increasing your risk for cancer. Knowing also that beer is probably the worst type of alcohol you could be drinking. It's high in glycophosphate, which is known carcinogenic, high in carbohydrates, which is extra energy units that you don't necessarily need, and sometimes also high in salt. And for the people who have, obesity and high blood pressure and fatty liver disease, this is exactly what you don't want to be doing. If you are going to be drinking alcohol, also know that it is a metabolic disruptor. And what that means is it slows down the mitochondrial energy process. So every single organ system kind of gets a blunted, depressed action to it, including depression, but also, just maybe fat metabolism. So if you're trying to lose weight, you don't want to be drinking alcohol. And it can also lower other situations such as mitochondrial energy in the myocardium and the rest of it. And also probably endocrine disrupting as far as hormones and testosterone building. People who drink more alcohol are likely to have low testosterone levels. If you are going to drink alcohol, and I often get this question, what type of alcohol should I drink? Red wine kind of comes in first place, unless you have a sulfite allergy, which a lot of people do. The second one that comes in place is a really good tequila. Sipping on a tequila will have less acetaldehyde conversion, so therefore it's a less carcinogenic and it's clearer form. And then thirdly is probably a good clear vodka. And what you mix it with is fine as long as you keep it low on the sugar side. Otherwise, I just want you to enjoy a wonderful 4th of July. Maintain a good, healthy, decision making. Please don't blow yourself up. And otherwise, remember, muscle is medicine, and God bless you.